Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create and use a 30-day UDP custom server for HTTP Custom VPN and SockSip Tunnel VPN. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and search for SSH UDP online. Click on the official website. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select 30 days Premium UDP server. Then choose 30 days UDP Custom Servers. Step 2. Enter your username and password. Complete the reCAPTCHA. Click Create Account. Your server will be ready in seconds. Copy and save the server IP, username, and password. Step 3. Go to the Play Store and install HTTP Custom VPN. Open the app and check the box for UDP Custom. Enter the server IP, username, and password. Tap Connect to start the VPN. Step 4. Install SockSip Tunnel VPN from the Play Store. Open the app and go to Settings. Change the connection type to UDP request. Step 5. Go back to the SSH UDP online website. Select 30 days UDP request servers. Enter your username and password. Then click Create Now. Copy the new server details. Step 6. Enter the server details in the SockSip app. Save the settings. And tap Start to connect. You've now successfully set up both UDP Custom and UDP Request servers using HTTP Custom VPN and SockSip Tunnel VPN, giving you a reliable and secure way to connect. This method is intended for educational purposes only, and we encourage using it within legal boundaries and local regulations. Always respect internet usage policies of your country or network provider. Thumbs up if you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides and VPN tips. Speech Balloon got questions? Drop them in the comments section. I'm always here to help. Bell and make sure to enable notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and connected. Globe showing Europe, Africa.